Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Aisha Lorraine. If you are new here, hey hey. If you're returning, hey hey. So say hey hey. So right now, I don't know if you can really tell, but me and baby girl, we have on our swimming clothes. We are getting ready to head to the pool. Because we're bored. Well, I'm really bored. And I asked her, do you want to go swimming? And she was like, yes, of course. So we're getting ready to go to the pool and enjoy ourselves probably for like an hour, hour and a half or so. Don't know, just depends on the feeling once we in there and you know how long we want to stay. We might stay for 2 hours, we might stay for 30 minutes. Who knows? We'll see. But that's what we're getting ready to do. And she got her goggles, that's what she said. So yeah, we're actually getting ready to walk out the door now. I got our bags packed. I just need to get us some water. It's really hot. So we just need to get some water.
And paint it down to town, meet another town, beat the town, beat the town, and beat it down, and beat it down, down, beat the river down. No, it's here.
So, bag is packed. Got phone.
I got the goggles.
Speaker. Yeah, she got her goggles. Let's go get us some cups of water ready. And we're going to head to the pool. Come on, let's go get your shoes, okay? Okay guys, so it is much later in the day. After we left the pool, we what did we do? Oh, came home, fed baby girl, tried to see if she was gonna take a nap, but she didn't. So we went to the store, came home. I had me some lunch. I had this huge salad, so that's probably gonna be my lunch and dinner because I'm not hungry now. But I am going to prepare this little snack, I guess that you'll call it. Is yogurt, mango, strawberries frozen with some white chocolate. So I might do that tonight or maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, depending on how I feel, because it's already 8:30 and I'm just now cooking dinner because baby girl fell asleep first. I think it was like, I want to say it was like 4:30, 4 o'clock or 4:30. No, I think she fell asleep around 3:30. But, and then I ended up falling asleep. I watched one show of Shark Tank and ended up falling asleep a little after 4:30, close to 5. And we all didn't wake up till 6:30. So, I just gave baby girl her bath. She had a popsicle. We didn't take baths early because I knew we was going back out. So, I just got her out the tub, and excuse the mess in the background. I'm getting ready to clean up and also cook. So I'm making some chicken wings and some jollof rice. You may or may not know what that is, but that's what hubby requested. Dinner is really for him, so that's what I'm getting ready to get into. Put the wings in the oven, start the jollof rice, and then clean up. And then, yeah, that's it for tonight, I guess. I don't really have anything else, so let's get into making this chicken. I already cleaned and washed it.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Good morning, guys. So it is the next day in the morning. I've been up for a while, but I'm getting ready to make the little snacks I was telling you guys about last night. So I'm getting ready to make that. So I got my mangoes here, the yogurt, and then the strawberries, and also some white chocolate. That's going to come later. So right now I'm getting ready to cut up the, I think these are bad. I might just use these. These look like they're good. So I'm glad I bought one. And then I'm going to make me some breakfast. I'm just going to have some avocado toast topped with some salmon that I cooked last night. So that's what we're getting ready to do. So let's make these I don't know what you would call them, little yogurt I don't know, yogurt bar, yogurt fruit bars or something. I don't know, but that's what we're getting ready to make. So At the very cut off. Guys, my camera is getting ready to. Can y'all see? I think I got too hot. Guys, my camera is getting ready to cut off, so I'm probably only going to be able to show you guys the after because I'm getting ready to go charge the camera. It's basically just mango and strawberries. You chop them up as small as you want them, mix it with yogurt, put it on parchment paper, freeze it, and then once it freezes, you come back and dip it in the white chocolate. So unfortunately I won't be able, well, I just told you guys how to make it. I'll show you guys the after, or maybe come back when I'm getting ready to dip the stuff in the chocolate. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to come back later because this chocolate here. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back. I don't remember exactly what day. It's been a couple of days actually since. It's been a couple of days since I last posted with the, I think I ended it with the white chocolate being burnt. So I did go back to the store and I got some different chocolate. I actually got milk chocolate. And this is the brand I got here. And I'm actually melting the chocolate now on the stove. It's right here. I'm melting it now. It's actually almost done. And I'm getting ready to pull see, I just kept them in the freezer, so I'm getting ready to dip them in the chocolate.